Are you tired of getting bombarded with unnecessary tags online, especially on your Facebook? Well, today I will show you how to take control of your Facebook timeline and put an end to those annoying and unwanted tags once and for all. Whether you want to protect your privacy or simply enjoying a clutter-free timeline. Stay tuned for some essential tips and tricks. You see, if you go through my own timeline here, I'm the only one that posts on it. The one that I was tagged in, it shows because I accepted the tag. You can see it here, where my boss tagged me concerning something here, and it was because I accepted it. That is why it is showing. So you can also control who tags you. You see, sometimes you just wake up and then you discover that people just tag you anyhow for unnecessary things, especially things you did not ask them for, things that are not part of your own schedule. So let me show you an example now. If I go through here now, this is somebody here tagging me. You can see this person tagged you 30 and 32 others. The same person tagged me and 55 others. The same person tagged me and 28 others. So there is a way you can do this. You just wake up one day and somebody tag you with the death of somebody that you don't even know, the marriage that crashed about somebody you don't even know. So today I will show you how to manage your timeline and get the burst from your own profile. So let's go. The first thing you will need to do is to go to your profile here. Go to your profile picture, click on it here, click on it, and then go to settings, or it can bring you to settings and privacy, or just come to settings here. So click on settings and privacy, and then it brings you, just scroll up a bit, and then you come to profile and tagging. You can see profile and tagging here, profile and tagging. In case yours did not have profile and tagging, maybe you may see timeline and tagging. So click on that profile and tagging. So in this place, watch how I edited mine. You will see that under who can post on your profile, it is only me. Only me. If I click the down arrow, you can see that there are your friends on Facebook and only me. So I chose only me. Then who can see what others post on your profile? Definitely there are no people that will post on my profile because of the first one, but in this one I just use friends of friends. I can still use only me. You can see we have everyone, friends of friends, friends except. You can see all. You can see only me, acquaintances, anyone you want to choose, but for my own I just put friends of friends. I can still put only me. Now allow others to share your post to their stories. Well, fine, that one is on. Then look again, who can see post you are tagged in on your profile? You can see that one too is still only me. So when you are tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience? Of course, I'm not interested, so just only me. Now this is amazing here. Review tags people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. You can see that one is on. So when people tag me, it will show me first before anything. Then I will have to go through it. Do I want it? Do I want it to show on my profile? If I want it, I will accept it. I will show you an example. Now, then you can see this other one. Review what other people see on your profile. There is nothing. They are not seeing anything except I accepted. And then the last one, review post you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. You can still see it is on. So let me show you example of these things. Now back to this profile here, this notification. When I click on it, you can see that this person tagged me and some other people. Let me click on one of them, and can you see now the person tagged me, but I have not accepted it to show on my profile. If it's something that is worthwhile that I want to see, fine, I will just accept. You can see add to profile. So all I will need to do is to click on add to profile here, add to profile, I will accept it. That means I accept that this thing should show on my profile. If I don't want, I just hide it. Some of them I've even deleted most of them because I'm not interested in some things. Somebody can just tag you for anything. They just wake up and tag you for the death of somebody. Most of these people you don't even know. So I will have to review it before it goes live. So that's how to do it. Or in case the thing shows on your timeline, you can decide to check it here. Just click on these 3 dots here. 3 dots. Just click on it. If you don't want the thing to show, you can see a place where you can remove tag. You can remove it, and then you can even hide from profile. In case the thing shows on your profile, you can decide to hide it, you can decide to remove it. But I decided to leave this one because I love what my boss wrote. And so that is how to make your Facebook timeline to look professional. You can even delete. You are free to delete so many of them that you don't want in case they show up. Now watch. In case somebody persistently tags you with unnecessary and inappropriately tagging you for anything, you can even block the person or restrict them from tagging you. You see, when you block them, it will prevent them from seeing your post, and when you restrict them, it will limit what they can see on your profile. Note that while these settings can actually help you control who can tag you on Facebook, they can't completely prevent all tagging. So it's good idea to at least regularly check your activity log to monitor posts and tags related to you. And if you need it, you take appropriate actions as soon as possible. Keep in mind that Facebook's interface and settings may change over time, so it's a good practice to periodically review and update your privacy settings as necessary. I believe you enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, like it, share it with your friends who may need it. And then if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. And if you are just coming to this channel, you are welcome. Please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can update you immediately we release this kind of valuable videos. And if you love to get more of the valuable videos, just go to the video section and then check the other videos that we've released. It is meant to bless you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.